Hello everyone. In this class, we are going to learn about SQL, Structured Query Language. So before learning SQL, let's first of all try to understand DBMS. So DBMS, Database Management System. It is a software used to store and manage the data. Database is a collection of interrelated data which is used to retrieve, insert and delete the data from the database. Okay, so database is also used to organize the data in the form of table. So let's take one example. We have a college database. We have a college database, and under this database we have a different data, like we have a admin data, we have a staff data, we have a student data, we have a faculty data. Okay, so we have this data in our database, but here we want to insert some data, here we want to delete some data. Then using SQL query we can easily do this. Okay, so using the database you can easily retrieve, insert and delete the information from your database. Okay, so we have a lots of database. For example, we have our MySQL database, we have our Cal database, we have a SQL and many more database. These are a very popular database which is used in a different application. Okay, so SQL is not a database, but it is a query language. Suppose you want to perform the queries of SQL language on the stored data in the database. You are required to install any database management system in your system. Okay, so whenever you want to perform some queries in any language, SQL language, but before performing the query, writing a query, first of all you can install those database in your local system. For example, you can install Oracle database, you can install MySQL database, you can install SQL database, you can install DB2 database, or we have a lots of database system. Okay, so before performing the query, before writing the query, first of all you can install those database in your local system. Okay, so now let's continue with the SQL. So what is SQL? SQL is a method, is a standard language for data manipulation in a database. In a simple language we can say it is used to talk to the data in database management system. Okay, so SQL is used to perform the operation on the records to store the database, such as we can say we can update the record, we can insert the records, and we can delete the any kinds of data from our database. We can also do many more modification, or we can insert, we can create the data in database. Okay, so SQL database language is mainly designed for the maintaining the data in a relational database management system. You can easily create and manipulate the database, access and modify the table, rows or column using the SQL database, using the SQL database. Okay, so if you want to get a job in the field of data science, then it is the most important query language to learn for a big companies like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. This company use SQL for storing the data in a database. Okay, so that's all about in this video, guys. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you.